'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan line. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on feet. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. This feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open bottles on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah.
Willst du lenken? Hier. No, no.
Muy bien, perfecto. Un poquito de a la izquierda, please. Muy bien.
To average joking, I'll be honest, they're used in airports to course. Final minute look on it, just a very short flight, around about 5 kilos. Embryo americana, female, bald eagle. Vamos a ver qué va a hacer. Let's see what she's going to get up to, okay? Justo encima, vamos a ver, let's see what she does, okay? Un poco de paciencia antes de continuar, just a little patience. Rapax, the eagle. Se llama Portus, his name is Portus. Carry on, eaters. Their feathers are different to other birds. Sus plumas son mucho más suaves. En su cabeza o cuello. And they have no feathers on their heads or neck. It's comentando que simplemente no pueden volar. Sometimes these birds female, bald eagle, Wacan, nuestra hembra americana, female bald eagle, Portus, justo encima. El show ha terminado, the show is finished. Muchas gracias.
It's empty, the trash is just there. You can have it's empty, the trash is there.
Yes, thank you.
Der chillt da jetzt. Wow, echt hoch.
Muchas gracias, chicos, por este bonito momento. Y por último, te das Gran.
Alright.
Venga.
Goblin.